Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Eric. I'll be taking you through this topic, fractions. And for this lesson, we'll be looking at converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. So we'll look at how we are able to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, and then we'll see how we do the reverse process. That is converting the mixed numbers back to improper fractions. And then at the end, we'll be able to give you some assignments to help you with practicing and to help you check your understanding of the concepts as discussed during this session. So we have these improper fractions which we're supposed to be converting into mixed numbers. Remember, we've discussed about the different types of fractions, and we were able to see what are improper fractions and what are proper fractions and what are mixed numbers. And remember, we said that when you find the final answer as an improper fraction, let's say you are doing an operation, you are adding fractions, subtracting fractions, which you'll be able to see later on, and your final answer exists in improper fraction form, then we cannot accept that as the final correct answer. So rather, you'll have to convert it back to mixed numbers. So this lesson, we're going to see how do you then convert from improper fractions back to mixed numbers. So we have a series of examples here starting from A, B, all the way up to D. You want to look at possibly all of them to help you see how we go through that process. So let's start with the first one, A here. So so what you do, we are supposed to convert 8/3 into a mixed number. So what you're going to do is to add the denominator here repeatedly until we get to a number that is very close to 8. That is a shorter way of doing it. So we have alternatives. You're going to see maybe case 1. So case 1 is just one of the methods. So you add the denominator here repeatedly until you get to a number that is very close. So you add 3 plus 3. So here you will not, if you add 3, it will be more than 8. So maybe you add 2. You see, we add here 2. See, that will be 8. So this is over 3. This is over 3. And this is over 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 2, that will give us 8. So the first one here will be 1. The second one is 1, but the last one will be 2/3. You see, so here we have 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 and 2 over 3 as the correct answer. You see that. So this is one of the alternatives that can be used to express the number, the improper fraction, as a mixed number. So remember, when we are talking about this, we said this is read as 2 and 2/3 or 2 and 2/3. So the rule is you check the denominator, then you keep adding the denominator until when you cannot add it. In other words, when you add the value 3, it will be more than, so you need to add 2. So you see, each one of them is divided by the denominator here. So 3/3, you see. You're going to see again how we do that in the other one there. So this one as an improper fraction, improper fraction expressed as a mixed number, it will be 2 and 2, 2/3. So this is A. See. So we have B here. So B here, how do you go about it? We have 15/7. So you do the same thing, just a matter of adding the denominator until when you cannot add it. So that is going to be 7 plus 7, that is 14. If you add 7, it will be more than 15. So what do I need to add now to make it 15 is 1. So each one of them is divided by the denominator. See, so 7 divided by 7 is 1. Again, 7 divided by 7 is 1, but the last one will be 1 over 7. So this is just 2 and 1 over 7, you see. 2 and 1 over 7. So that is how we convert from mixed number to, from improper fraction to a mixed number, as you can see here. So let's look at C. C again, we have 38 over 9. 38 over 9, which is again an improper fraction, and we want to convert it back to a mixed number. So the rule is we keep adding the denominator until when we cannot add. That is, further addition will lead to a number that will be greater than 38. Then we add the remainder that will give us 38. So we have 9 plus 9 is 18, plus another 9 is 27, plus another 9 here is, so you see 9 is 4 times. So that will be, 36. So we need to add 2 to make it 38. So each one of them is divided by 9, by 9, by 9, by 9, and of course this is 9. So we have 1 plus 1. Of course, 9, a number divided by the same number is 1. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 over 9. So remember, I've said this is just one of the methods. There are very many methods that we can use. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So we have 4, and the remainder here is 2 over 9. So as a mixed number, it is 4 and 2 over 9. You see. Let's look at D again. D here we have 105. So 105 here, if you were to add this 4, it will be very many times. So this 105, possibly you can use long division method. You see now here. Now this other method here cannot work. See here. That's why you said we have alternative approaches. So these, you can use the long division method. So we have 4 and we have 105. So 4 goes into 10 two times, and 2 by 4 is 8. So you subtract. This is something that we have done before. See, so if you subtract 8 from 10 is 2. Or you borrow 1 from 1, put it here, it is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then you drop this down here. So 4 goes into 25 6 times. 6 by 4 is 24. So this one here is the remainder. So this will be the numerator of the fraction part, but the whole number part will be 26. Whatever you find as the quotient becomes the whole number part. So this is a division that is resulting, or that we are ending up with, a quotient and a remainder. So that remainder becomes now the numerator of the fraction part, and then the denominator still remains to be 4. So it simply means then 105 over 4 as a mixed number will be, the whole number part is the quotient, So that is 26, and the remainder becomes the numerator, which is 1 over 4. See this one here. So that's how you're able. So this is an alternative approach. Even these other ones, you could still use this method here. So the remainder here is what is going to be the numerator of the fraction, and then denominator remains to be 4. The whole number part of this division becomes the whole number part of the mixed number. See, so the quotient here becomes the whole number part. So let's see how we can change mixed numbers into improper fractions. Mixed numbers into improper fractions. So we have the mixed number. We start with A here. So what you need to do is you multiply. See the rule. Remember, a fraction here is going to be A over B. So in this case, A is greater than B. So the mixed number is this: C A over B. So the rule is going to be BC plus A over B. That is going to be the rule that we're going to use here to help us. So you multiply this and then you add the numerator, denominator by the whole number part, you add that and then you divide by the denominator. For example, now part A is going to be 7 times 2 plus 6 over 7, which is going to be 14 plus 6 over 7, which is going to be 20 over 7. B again is going to be 12 times 1 plus 11 over 12, which is going to be. So maybe we start by writing the mixed number, which is 1 and 11 over 12. So this is going to be 12 by 1 plus 11, then you divide by 12. Remember, that is the rule here. So take note of the rule. So that is going to be 12 plus 11 over 12, which is going to be 23 divided by 12. And then we have C here. C here we have 9 and 1 over 10. So the rule is you multiply these two and then you add the numerator part. So 10 by 9 plus 1 over 10. So that is going to be 19 plus 1 over 10, which is going to be 20. Oh, sorry, not 19. This is supposed to be 90 plus 1, which is going to be 91 over 10. So you can see we are able to convert the numbers from mixed numbers to improper fractions. So take note of the formula that you have used here. Yeah, the denominator multiplied by the whole number part, then you add the numerator. That is the formula that will be applicable in this case. Yes. Otherwise, there are some questions here to help you with the practice and just to help you gauge your understanding of the concept. So you can practice and you send feedback to the comment section. We'll be able to look at them, the answers that you post, and you'll be able to engage as we progress with the syllabus coverage. Otherwise, thank you very much. Goodbye.